Hello everyone, my name is Amira binti Samizi. My metric number is H24A3257. Now I'm at Cerita Kita Cafe, so let's go. So we now at Cerita Kita Cafe. Cerita Kita Cafe is a classic concept of an old house located in the city of Kota Baru. This cafe is open every day from 1 noon to 10:30 p.m. They provide an interesting variety of Western food. So this is the menu in Cerita Kita Cafe. Let's see. So we have a lot of drinks. We also have a shell out menu special mantau plus chili butter clams. Tada! This is the menu I ordered. So here we have a drink, lychee berry, and mantau with buttermilk clams, and popcorn chicken with fries. The first menu is lychee berry. The taste feel like carbonate drinks. So next, let's try mantau with buttermilk clams. So let's take one mantau. So let's try with the sauce buttermilk first. The taste is so good. When the mantau with buttermilk sauce, the combination is so perfect and so nice. So the next menu is Korean chicken popcorn with fries. So let's try. The taste for chicken is so spicy and so nice. The fries is so good and so crunchy, and the fries have cheese on top. For me, I hope you guys enjoy my video. So bye bye.